Hello friends, today we will configure SFU multiple VLAN configuration in GPON OLT. The main concept is to configure ONU ports with different VLANs. Okay, let's start by creating new line profile. Enter profile name, profile ID and then configure T-count. Here we need to configure 4 different GEM ports. Every GEM port ID must have configured with different VLAN. GEM 1 contains VLAN 100 and GEM 2 have VLAN 101. Gen 3 will continue with VLAN 103 and Gen 4 with 104. Click the Apply button to commit changes. Okay, let's reconfirm the line profile, Gen ports and VLANs. Here we need to configure service profile. There is a default profile and now we are going to edit this. Let's configure each Ethernet port with different VLAN. We are setting 100 as native VLAN of Ethernet 1. Port 2 would have VLAN 101. Ethernet port 3 will carry VLAN 103 and port 4 will carry VLAN 104. Click the button to save all changes. Let's reconfirm untagged ports. Let's now configure auto discovery and auto binding. We can confirm ONU auto authentication now. New ONU has been automatically registered on PON 1. Okay, auto virtual port is already configured by default. Let's see virtual port list assigned to the ONU. Also, let's confirm the ONU port configuration. Everything fine now. Each Ethernet port has been configured with different VLAN. Thanks for watching.